Hello, I'm Sydney Seagraves, and I'm going to be talking about metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are formed when a rock undertakes a great deal of heat or pressure. The extreme change in heat or pressure causes the rock mineralogy, texture, and composition to alter, ultimately forming a new rock. Any rock can become metamorphic, and all metamorphic rocks come from a parent rock, which is the original rock which undertakes the pressure and heat changes. An example of metamorphic rock is shale, and the parent rock is slate. To classify metamorphic rocks, we can look at their grain size, texture, composition, grade, and the type of metamorphism gone through. Texture includes foliated or non-foliated. Grain size is fine, medium, or coarse. Composition includes the minerals within the rock, and the parent rock is the original form before the metamorphic change. Foliated rocks have had their minerals aligned in layers, and they are formed by direct pressure. Foliated can either be platy, which has thin sheets, or banding, which has altering light and dark bands. Some examples of foliated rocks are slate, phyllite, schist, and gneiss. Non-foliated rocks lack the alignment of minerals, meaning they have no layering. They are formed without direct pressure, and some examples are quartzite and anthracite coal. Metamorphic grade is what tells us the relative pressure and temperature that the rock undertook. Low grade involves 390 to 600 degrees Fahrenheit and involves low pressure, while high grade is greater than 600 degrees Fahrenheit and has high pressure. There also can be an in-between called an intermediate grade. There are several types of metamorphism that can occur. The first one is contact metamorphism, which occurs close to igneous intrusions and involves high temperatures and low pressure. However, the rock will never melt and often results in the formation of a non-foliated, fine-grained rock. The second type of metamorphism is regional, which occurs over large areas of rock that undertake a great deal of heat or pressure, and this mainly occurs at convergent boundaries and common along mountain ranges and involves high temperature and high pressure. The last type of metamorphism is dynamic, which is associated with fault lines, and what happens here are rocks are ground and crushed, and it involves high pressure and low temperatures. Thank you.